Hi superhumans, welcome to my channel Connect to Krish. As you all know, SSC CGL 2024 Tier 2 exam is going to be conducted on 18th, 19th and 20th of January 2025. To help you clear in this exam, I will be solving previous year questions, that is, I will be solving SSC CGL 2023 Tier 2 questions. Please do watch this video. So superhumans, next question is, B purchased 15 kg apples at the rate of rupees 180 per kg from a wholesaler who uses a weight of 950 grams for the kg weight. B sold all these apples at 180 per kg but used a weight of 750 grams for the kg weight. Find the percentage profit earned by B in the transaction. Correct to two decimal places. So here what initially what he is saying is 15 kgs of apples are sold, but percentage of profit will not change, right? If you sell 1 kg of apple or 2 kgs of apple or 5 kgs of apple, percentage of profit will not change. So this information, this 15 kg apple is not necessary. It is unnecessarily it's given. It's not needed also. Now here what he is saying is, let us consider cost price. So it is 180 per kg. So 180 rupees 180, but he is only selling 950 grams, right? So rupees 180 for 950 grams. This we are only considering cost price here. So for 1 gram, how much will it be? 1 gram will be nothing but 180 by 950, right? So let's write it separately here, 180 by 950. Now selling price. Selling price, B sold all these apples at 180 per kg but used a weight of 750 grams. He is further cheating. Instead of using 1 kg weight, he is using 750 grams. Even there also wholesaler, instead of using 1 kg weight, he is using 950 grams. This B person is cheating further more than that the wholesaler. So here in this B, he is selling 180. He is selling for 180. He is selling 750 grams of apple. So 1 gram. 1 gram. What will be the amount? It will be nothing but 180 by 750. Now write it here. Now find the ratio of these two. 180 and 180 will get cancelled. 0, 0, 5 19s are, 5 1s are, 5 1s are, 5 15s are. So this is cost price is to selling price will be nothing but cost price is to selling price. This will come here and this will come here, right? It will be nothing but 15 is to 19. Now what is the profit percentage is nothing but selling price minus cost price, selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. So this is nothing but 19 minus 15 by 15 into 100, which is nothing but 4 by 15 into 100. Which is nothing but 5 3s are 5 20s are 80 by 3, which is nothing but 80 by 3 is nothing but 26.67%. So option C is right. So superhumans, next question is, the simple interest earned on rupees 2800 at a rate of 10% per annum for 3 years is rupees X, and rupees 1736 is the simple interest earned on rupees 6200 at a rate of 14% for Y years. Then the value of X by Y is. So simple interest formula is nothing but PTR by 100, where P is the principal amount, T is the time period and R is the rate of interest. So in first statement is given that simple interest earned on 2800 at the rate of 10% per annum is X, for 3 years is X. So simple interest here is X, which is equal to principal amount is 2800 into time is nothing but 3 into rate of interest is 10%, 10, that is 10 by 100. So is nothing but 840. So X is nothing but equal to 840. And in the next line he says that rupees 7036 is the simple interest earned on 6200 at a rate of 14% for Y years. So 1736 is the simple interest is equal to principal amount is nothing but 6200 into time period is Y into rate of interest is nothing but 14%, 14 by 100. So these two will get cancelled. This is nothing but 14 14 ones are 14, 333, 428, 4s are 62 ones are 62 2s are. So you will get y is equal to 2. Now he is asked the value of x by y, which is nothing but 840 by 2. X by y is nothing but equal to 840 by 2, which is equal to 420. So option B is right. So superhumans, next question is find the value of square root of 1.24 into square root of 2.79 by square root of 2.64 into square root of 5.94. So here all are in square root, so I will take one big common square root. Like all these can be put under one square root, right? It's nothing but 1.24, and here we can also eliminate these points so that confusion will be reduced, because all have two decimal places, so you can eliminate the point here. I'll write it as 124 into 279 by 264 into 594. Now here these last two digits, let us check it. 24 is divisible by 4, so this entire number will be divisible by 4, and here also 64, it's divisible by 4, last two digits, so this entire number will be divisible by 4. So first let me cancel it with 4. 4 31s are, this is 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24. Now this is even, and this is odd, so these two won't cancel out. This is even and this is odd, so they will not cancel out. So now next we will check these two. Now here these two both are divisible by 9, so I will cancel it with 9. 9 3s are, 9 1s are, and this is 9 6 are 54, 9 6 are 54. So it's nothing but 31 into 31 by 66 into 66. So this is, and the square root on top of that, so this will be nothing but 31 by 66. So option B is right. So superhumans, next question is a solid cube whose each edge is of length 48 centimeters is melted. Identical solid cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are made out of this molten cube without any wastage. How many such small cubes are obtained? So in this question, nothing. The formula is number of small cubes is nothing but volume of big cube by volume of small cube. Is nothing but equal to, so big cube side length is 48 centimeters, so its volume will be nothing but that side cube, that is nothing but 48 cube, 48 into 48 into 48. Small cube volume is given to be 64 centimeter cube, this will be nothing but 64. So this is nothing, 64 is nothing but 4 cube, so we can cancel, so this will be, we can cancel each one with 4. 4 12s are, 12s are, 12s are. Here again this will be, this is nothing but 64 cubes, so the denominator will get cancelled out. This is nothing but equal to 12 cube. 12 cube is nothing but equal to 1728. So here option D is right. You can also do it by, like n is nothing but side, the length of bigger cube side and length of smallest cube side whole cube, which is nothing but bigger cube side length is 48, and since the volume is 64, it's side of the small cube, side length of the small cube will be nothing but 4, so by 4 whole cube, which is nothing but 4 1s are, 4 2s are, again it will be equal to 12 cube, which is equal to 1728. And you can also say that generally in these kind of questions the answer will be is cube root of something or cube of something like say 12, or you can check if these satisfy any cube roots. So in this only this will satisfy cube root, so by that also you can make a guess, but it's better not to take risk, because at times you might get in points. So when you get in points, the value will be approximated. So that cube root theory, it's not advisable, better to go with this method. So option D is right. So superhumans, next question is, if P is to Q is equal to 3 is to 4 and q is to r is equal to 4 is to 7, then find the value of p plus q is to q plus r is to r plus p. So here you can see that q is common, right? In these two ratios q is common, and here also 4 is it's same, right? So I can directly write p is to q is to r. P is to q is to r. Q is common in these two, and 4 is same. And here also it is 4, here also it is 4. So I can directly write it is nothing but equal to 3 is to 4 is to 7. Now what he has asked is p plus q. P plus q is nothing but this plus this, right? It's nothing but equal to 7 is to q plus r is nothing but this plus this. 7 plus 4 is 11, and is to r plus p. R plus p is nothing but these two. 7 plus 3 is 10. So the answer to this question will be B, 7. So superhumans, next question is, Vipin travels 1/3 of a distance of a journey at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour and the remaining distance at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. If he took a total of 12 hours to complete the journey, what was the total distance in kilometers of the journey? So here let's take total distance. Total distance nothing but equal to some d. Now 1/3 speed, and we already know the formula that speed is nothing but equal to distance by time. Now time, so time is nothing but equal to distance by speed. So what I'll do is 1/3 of the distance at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. So let that distance be d by 3 divided by the speed is nothing but 30. So this will be into 30. So this will be the time taken to cover 1/3 of the distance. And what will be the remaining distance? Remaining distance is nothing but 2/3, right? Remaining distance is nothing but 2/3, that is 2d by 3 divided by the speed. He is traveling 2/3 of the remaining distance by 40 kilometers per hour. So divided by speed is nothing but 2d by 3 into 40. So this is nothing but the total time taken, and it's given that he took a total of 12 hours to complete the journey. So this is equal to 12. Now we have to solve this equation. 2 ones are 20s are, so it is nothing but d by 90 plus d by 60 is equal to 12. Take LCM is nothing but 180, 2d plus 3d is equal to 12. So 5d by 180 is equal to 12. 5 ones are 5, 36 are. 36 into 12 is nothing but 360 plus 360 plus 72 is nothing but 432. So option C is right. So superhumans, next question is, what is the single discount equivalent to successive discounts of 20%, 35% and 10%? So I'll teach a small formula. Suppose A% and B% discounts are given, then successive discount of A% and B% is nothing but, it will be nothing but A plus B minus AB by 100. So now here what I am going to do is, so here we'll take 20%, 10%, 35%. Order does not matter here, friends. You can arrange in any order successively in the successive discount. So now let's combine these two, 20% and 10%, using this formula. It's nothing but 20 plus 10 minus 20 into 10 by 100. 0 will get cancelled. So 30 minus 2 is nothing but 28. So this will be 28. Now we have to club 28 and 35, right? 28 and 35. So it's nothing but 28 plus 35 minus 28 into 35 by 100. So it's nothing but 63 minus 28 into 35 by 100. And friends, here if you observe options, one is 48.7, next is 65.4, next is 42.3, next is 53.2. So they are far away from each other. So we can use approximation here. So instead of 28 and 35, I'll approximate it to 30 and 30 to make it easier. So this will be nothing but 63 minus, I'm approximating it. This is an approximate value by 100. So here 63 minus 9 will be nothing but 54, right? 54. So approximately this will be equal to 54%. So the option close to 54% is nothing but D. So I'll mark D here. Otherwise you can directly calculate and you can simplify this, but it will take a long time. That is why I have approximated it, because the options are far away. And other method is, we can use fraction method also. Like for example, first he has given 20% discount, right? So it's nothing but, so you will sell it at 80, right? Suppose you are giving, suppose an item is 100 rupees, you are getting 20% discount, means you will be selling it at 80. So it's nothing but 80 by 100, right? Into, and next you are giving 35% discount. 35% discount means an item which is of 100 rupees, you will be selling it at 65 rupees, into, and 10% discount means an item which is for 100 rupees, you will be selling it at 90 rupees, right? So if you simplify this, nothing but 4 by 5 into 20s are 5, 13s are 13 by 20 into 9 by 10. This is nothing but 1000. 36 into 13. 36 into 13. 360 plus 108 is nothing but 468, right? So an item which is at 1000 rupees, you are selling it at 468. So an item which is at 100 rupees, you will be selling it at 46.8, right? Which is 100 rupees, you will be selling it at 46.8. Divide denominator by 10. So how much percentage discount you are giving is, you need to subtract 46.8 from 100. So 100 minus 46.8 is nothing but 53.2. 100 minus 46.8 is equal to 53.2. So the successive discount, the answer for this successive discount of 20%, 35% and 10% is nothing but 53.2. Option D is right. So superhumans, next question is, if A is equal to 58 square minus 25 square by 46 square minus 37 square, and B is equal to 26 square minus 15 square by 56 square minus 15 square, then the value of 1 by B minus 20 by A is. So you already know this formula, that A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B, right? So same formula will be applying here because all these are in this form itself, A square minus B square. So A is nothing but 58 plus 25 is nothing but 83, right? 83 into 58 minus 25 is nothing but 33 by 46 plus 37 is nothing but 83 into 46 minus 37 is nothing but equal to 9. So here this 2 will get cancelled, and here we will cancel this by 3. 11s are 3s are, this is nothing but equal to 11 by 3. So A is equal to 11 by 3. And similarly we will find the value of B. B is nothing but 26 plus 15 is 31, 41 into 26 minus 15 is 11 by 56 plus 15 is 71 into 56 minus 15 is nothing but 41. So here is 41 will cancel, this is nothing but 11 by 71. Now 1 by B. 1 by B is nothing but 1 by B minus 20 by A is nothing but 1 by B is 71 by 11 minus 20 by A. 20 into 3 by 11 is nothing but 71 minus 60 by 11, which is equal to 11 by 11, which is equal to 1. So here option D is right. So superhumans, next question is, a merchant fixes the sale price of his goods at 42% above the cost price. He sells his goods at a 15% discount on mark price. His percentage of profit rounded off to nearest integer is. So here, if you want to solve a basic method, that is, let us assume cost price is some 100 rupees. Then sale price is 42% above the cost price, right? So MRP will be 42% above, means it will be 142. Now here, and after that he sells at 15% discount. That means that he'll be selling at 85%, right? Minus 15% means, minus 15% discount means he'll be selling it at 85% of this value. So you need to just multiply it. So you need to multiply 142 and 85. It's something but 5 2s are 10, 5 are 20 means 21, 5 7 0, 8 2s are 16 or 32 means 33, 8 1s are 8 means 11 0, 7 10 2. So it's something but it will be nothing but 12070 by 100. So this will be nothing but 120.7. So he is selling it at a profit of 20.7%. So approximately it will be equal to 21%. And there is other method also. I will teach you that. That is, here on the cost, there is other method also. I will teach you that. Here on the cost price, what is doing is marking it up by plus 42%. And after marking it up by plus 42%, he sells it at 15% discount on that mark price. So then minus 15%. So we already know that if A and B are two percentages which we have marked up, then successive discount will be nothing but A plus B plus AB by 100. So here also we will apply the successive discount formula. So it is nothing but 42 minus 15 plus 42 into minus 15 by 100. So what will this be? This will be nothing but 27 minus 42 into 15 is nothing but 15 to the 30, 15 into 40 is 600, 630 by 100, which is nothing but 27 minus 6.3, which is nothing but 20.7%. So this is not, so the option B is right. And here by with using options also you can do it in a faster way. For example, in this method, what I'll get is, see here 42 minus 15 is nothing but 27. So I'll be getting 27 minus of something, right? 27 minus of something which is a greater value. So in these options, only one option is less than 27. That is option B, 21. So you can after reaching this point, you could have directly marked this option B, because only one option is there which is less than this 27.